Reasons for dementia's appearance. Let's say now I synthesize all lawful wisdom with all willful intelligence. Some combination of attributes allows me to start detaching fragmentary, not all unity, but all aspiration. What is formed as a result? Dementia or a simplисполитивная form? If we talk about a short moment, neither dementia nor a simplисполитивная form gets originated. There is only you who performs these focus dynamics. Your own focus dynamics, consisting of parts of these automobiles, which are projected from other personal interpretations. Dementia is originated when there appear stable, sustainable chains, synapses, between diverse brain parts, which facilitate definite performances and break the form structure itself. That means that there is overlaying of synapses from the brain parts and parts of our organism which aren't bound covalently by their functions to each other, and consequently starting to predominate. One part starts to predominate over another one. It all is executed through nuclear genomes. Since any activity of a cell grows, gets initiated by creators, regulators. At such regular functional violations of activity of nuclear genome, there are various expressions into the gene apparatus, which cause emission of definite chemical substances, hormones, neuromediators. The latter either activate or suppress activity of neurons of definite cortex parts or the limbic system. The interrelating process is broken there. The genes, which had to act in special way and to provide ordinary action of definite brain parts, don't do this task. Because one gene can functionally be responsible for many brain parts, but it doesn't perform its functions normally, because they appear chemical, methyl groups. They cause either inhibition of the gene's functions to the most extent, or their stimulation, expression mostly. However, it is the long process. Either it's long or it has to be intensive. In other words, any heavy stress breaks interrelations and constructs such round chains which aren't peculiar to normal functionality of our brain. These are they that cause dementia, for example. Dementia is a breakdown of neurons, their disappearance from neuron chain, and generally disappearance of neuronal cells of the parts under the influence. Yet again, this occurs from inside. A neuron dies, not with no reason, but owing to breaking functions of creators of its nuclear genome, who influence on prostaglandins, histones, and others. I meant that the scheme of dementia organization and the simplисполитивная form organization match. Dementia is like the result of our deepening into some protoformal synthesis direction, which is characterized, to the most extent, also with snaps to simplisparitivные forms. Dementia is the obvious fact that something happens inside our focus dynamics not in the right way for implementation of the real human type of birvulярность.